Good morning, my wonderful students. So this is, once you finish your pretest, the kind of guided notes you'll be looking at. So thinking about this, we're going to learn the formatting for how to actually do quotes, whether it's with dialogue or whether it's citing evidence from a text. So looking at the first part here, quotes always surround what is being said. So anytime a character is speaking, you always put quotes around it. There are two types of quoting that you can do for two different types of sentences. The first is dialogue. And like I said, this is when someone is talking to someone else. So this is going to be in like books and novels when you have two characters speaking. The second type that's going to be much more useful to us in this class is going to be pulling a line from a book or some other text. And for this, when I say pull a quote, it doesn't mean it already has to be in quotes. It means that you can pull any single line that kind of backs up what you're thinking or proves your thought. So going through this, I'll give you guys the first answer to each section just so you can look back and reference it. So the directions say to underline what is being said in this sentence. So it says, she yelled, "I'm excited to start reading The Outsiders." So what is being spoken? She is the speaker, and what is she saying? She's saying, I'm excited to start reading The Outsiders, so I'll underline that. Okay. Second part, put quotes where they're supposed to go in the sentence. So I have in the novel it says, so this is the what's being said or what's being spoken, so what's being pulled from the text goes in quotes. So I have my quotes here and my quotes here. Remember what we heard about quote-unquote, that you find quote-unquote, you find your quote, and then you put all punctuation to the left to the left. So if here's my quote, comma goes to the left. Here's my other quote, period goes to the left. Okay, so this is going to be really important formatting. When I grade you guys over the next 2 days, this is all I'm going to be looking at, that you have your quotes in the right place and you have your punctuation in the right place. Finally, you're going to create your own. So create 2 of your own sentences that use quotes. And then you're going to go back and find how Pony Boy is a dynamic character.